Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play two players on Mario Tennis Aces. Press plus on the first controller to enter the menu and choose local play, then have the second player press L and R together to join. Make sure both controllers are paired and each player picks a character and racket. Adjust match settings like time, games, and difficulty, then start the match and enjoy cooperative or competitive play together. Choose doubles mode and assign sides so each player knows court responsibilities. Use standard shots, lobs, and charge swings to control rallies while communicating about who covers which area. Practice simple formations like front-back or left-right to reduce overlap and cover angles efficiently. Work on timing to set up teammates for power shots and returns, and switch tactics mid-match when opponents exploit a weakness in your positioning. Focus on pulse timing to land stronger returns and create openings for your partner to finish points. Use short zone shots to bait opponents forward and follow up with deep returns that exploit vacated space. Rotate serving and net duties occasionally to keep opponents guessing, and communicate about when to switch aggressive versus defensive play. Small coordinated adjustments often win matches more than solo hero plays, so practice patterns and celebrate small improvements together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.